Alright, today guys, on Supreme Survival, we'll be telling you about what kind of food you should put in your bug out bag. I'm going to go over the specs of each three of these options. So, let's just do it. So the MRE, on the very left, it's pretty heavy to carry in your pack if we're talking long term. If we're talking short term, then yeah, you could probably deal with it, and yeah, I know people say they're really nasty, but to be honest, guys, they're really pretty good, I think. The only thing bad is you just carry all that extra water weight and stuff like that. But they do have a lot of calories. They have about 1,000 calories to 1,300 calories. And they last about 7 to 10 years. Now, Mountain House, which this is probably the best option for you. It is freeze dried, so it weighs pretty much nothing. Like this 3-serving bag right here probably weighs about 2 pounds, maybe. Actually, probably not even 2 pounds, probably like 1.5 pounds. And for 3 servings, that's pretty good. Each serving on this one, this is rice and chicken, it's got 270 servings. And this lasts 30 years. So that's why, it's one of the main reasons I think it is probably one of the best options for bug out bag food. And pretty much just the big old brick of calories on the right over here. It's cinnamon flavored. It's pretty nasty. And it's got 3,600 calories. So if you just want calories, I would go for that. But any other way, I would not. It lasts about 5 years. And guys, if you're really considering picking these food items up, the MREs cost about $10 to $12. The Mountain House meals, I got the pouch size, and it's about $10 to $12 as well. You can get different sizes for like $7, but to me that's probably your best option. The pouches are. And then you got that SOS ration over there, and it's about $7 to $8 when I picked mine up on Amazon. You can find all these on Amazon, guys. Hope you liked the video. I got a better camera now, so that's good. If you guys want to recommend any videos, please feel free to in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Supreme Survival, out.